Naya,
and Ellie. And today, wait, what are we doing? What are we doing? Don't use the one Play-Doh.
Today we have Play-Doh and glue in these Play-Doh cans. You don't know which has which. The girls will be selecting numbers and they are going to see who ends up with the best slime. And in today's challenge, we have our Anicorn challenge. These are our Anicorns. They are animals mixed with unicorns. Right here we have Teddy Corn holding his teddy bear. And we have Kitty Corn holding her bottle of milk. And you can collect these on the Anicorns.com along with our other Anicorns. These are limited edition. Once they're gone, they're gone. We're going to have on Team Kitty Corn,
Team Naya.
And Team Teddy Corn is Ellie. And you guys leave a comment below. Whose team are you rooting for? Are you rooting for Team Kitty Corn with Naya Corn? Or are you rooting for Team Teddy Corn with Ellie Corn? Also, girls, can we look at your shirts?
I have a family Tsum Tsum sack.
That's right, but Naya has glue stuff all over her shirt.
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
I have formula all over.
We just did a baby bottle glue challenge, and it was really gross.
Thumbs up.
No, it was
If you like formula.
So guys, you can collect these shirts along with our other merch on the family, on our Teespring store. Here's some pillows that you can get. Look at that little pillow, so cute with the girls' faces. But I think it's time to start with rock, paper, scissors. Who's ready?
Me.
All right, and go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yay! Why does she always win? No, you don't say that. You don't say that.
Okay, it looks like Ellie gets to choose her number first. Are you ready, Ellie?
Yeah.
Let's see. What number did she get?
18.
11. Oh, 10.
I was like,
What
when
is
she
the
got
10?
11,
Oh,
I
here's
would be
10.
so mad.
So Ellie got this green can 10. Ellie, you excited?
Yeah. I actually do like roses with this nice green, so I actually do like it.
All right, let's see what color's in the inside.
Wait, yellow. What?
Oh, so Ellie got Play-Doh. That's right, guys. The colors don't match the top, so you don't know what you get. So Ellie got yellow Play-Doh. All right, Naya, pick your number.
I picked 11. I'm gonna let you choose.
11. I was going for 11.
So look at this, guys. Naya has
I got orange.
11 blue. Let's see.
It's red. Oh, that was a close
She got
one.
red glue, guys.
I thought it was orange. I get it because red and yellow kind of like when they mix, they like make orange. No, that's actually, oh no. Will that
15.
will Play-Doh actually make it drier?
How I'm gonna
You
put
better do it.
activator and the
Okay,
Play-Doh
here you
and
go.
mix it up. Oh, Play-Doh again! I wonder how I'm gonna mix it up.
Activator makes.
I wonder
That
how.
sounds cool. At least slime's gonna be so soft. Perfect.
How is mine?
I don't like green.
I like that.
You like me.
I like that
That's what you
color.
Be careful, kid.
I got glue again.
Pour it out. Let's see what you got.
What am I going for, the rainbow or something?
Didn't work. 16.
16.
Oh, that's the actual glue of the actual.
Look at that. All right, let's
Was
get
that
it
actually
open.
16?
What? Guys,
I'm getting the rainbow.
Yeah,
like
she's
Nyla.
trying to
so
beat
guys, if you are team Teddy Corn, then you have all Play-Doh, and if you are team Kitty Corn, then you have all glue. Let us know below whose team are you
I
repping.
want
Who do you
Play-Doh
want to
so
win?
bad.
I wish you had.
My pajamas go as usual.
Nyla.
What do you have, Naya? 6, 2.
But this won't be.
Okay, so here is
Oh no.
2.
She has.
Wait, Ellie, you're so jealous. For the first time ever, I get Ellie.
You have 9? Okay. All right.
I'm happy.
Okay, so someone got a 9. Let's see. Now be careful opening it because remember it could be glue. You don't want it to spill.
It's finally.
Pink glue too.
It's like, oh, it's like a soft coating.
I-
Wait. 14.
14.
Why am I getting rainbow?
Let's see it.
Oh my God, I'm getting like rainbow. This is so cool.
7.
Okay, number 7. Let's take a look.
If you don't get the color you like,
Team Teddy Corn, let's practice for you and let's see what you're getting. Be careful,
she got
because you never know what it could be.
Oh no.
It won't come out. She got purple Play-Doh.
So she got her.
Ellie, you have so much Play-Doh.
I don't
This
know.
thing is going to be all Play-Doh. The audience is going to vote who is going to win.
And Prince Taylor gonna judge us. Megan Mouse and Prince Taylor loses.
Naya got more glue. Wow, Naya.
I got 4.
You can mix. I can play though. It just looks like a tripod.
All right, Ellie, here you go.
Jealous.
4.
What? iPhone.
All right, so here is Ellie's number 4.
I was gonna tell you I got Fifi.
Careful.
She got.
Glue.
Wait, that's not. They lied to us. They lied. They said.
Always the last one to switch off.
6. They keep making fun of my 6. Ellie said I had a little struggle making this 6. Yeah.
Oh, I want this color so bad.
Naya, you have like a no Play-Doh channel.
Well, that's it. I'm jealous. Can we switch phones? Mine looks like.
Sure.
No, pour that
That
out.
looks like a biscuit with like some chicken.
All right, Ellie, let's see if you have slime or Play-Doh.
What? She got the Play-Doh I liked. No, and I just got the.
All right, Naya.
She keeps making another layer and then she pours something on it. She keeps making. Hey,
All right.
Appetizing.
Let me see your
I
8.
ate this Play-Doh. This Play-Doh was here before I eat. What? The last glue she got. I got the Play-Doh. Oh.
All right. Here you go. Take yours. So what number do you guys end up with?
3.
Okay, so Ellie got number 3.
And I am.
And Naya has number 5. But we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to do what?
Ellie loves this color.
We
And
are
I love
gonna
this
do-
color. So like, why would we?
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so Ellie has chosen number 3. Okay, at the same time, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Play-Doh again. Glue. How is this possible?
I have rainbow now.
But how is this possible? Ellie, I don't know if yours is going to turn into slime.
Well, I can like knead it.
Okay, so let's get
Yeah, I
a look at these.
totally have to use it.
All right, so let's take a look at Ellie's real quick. Ellie, why don't you start kneading that for us so we can see what becomes of yours. Yours is just, I don't think this is going to be slime. This is.
You may need a lot of glue. A lot.
No, we're just going to have to take it as it is. I don't know.
Maybe
It's really pretty.
Yeah, it's
It looks like an art project.
it's like a rainbow.
All right, Naya, why don't you start mashing yours?
Can I have like?
No, yours is a hand mash too. This is a hand masher.
What are you making me do? My hands. Oh look!
In the comments, I keep like getting like purple like this.
Oh, mine's like a chocolate milkshake. Like chunks
I'm
of
gonna
something.
start adding some. Ellie, you don't need much activator because you barely have it. Okay, there you go.
Yeah,
Start putting that activator in there.
I have like a bunch.
Naya actually needs more activator. All right, Naya, start mashing that activator up.
How come Mike's the rainbow nice is just like it?
All right, Naya, start mixing that.
After people will wear that color. People will wear that color.
What happens
Okay,
when you
so
make
let's
slime
see.
with Play-Doh?
All right, guys. So Naya's slime is trying to come together, but the Play-Doh is.
And the activator, that activator.
Guys, this is not. It's like fleshy gut again.
Why? Why do mine always turn into
And Ellie, let's see. Ellie's is a big Play-Doh ball with a little bit of slime holding it together.
Maybe I can like make like some meat. Would you like my meatball?
No, thank you. That meatball is really, really gross. All right, let's see yours, Ellie.
You see me?
That's Naya, let's see yours. All right, guys, let us know in the comments below whose team are you repping, who has the better slime. They're both kind of. Let's see you stretch it, Naya. Can you stretch it a little
It
bit?
stinks too for some reason.
All right, guys, make sure you subscribe. Wait, did you subscribe to the channel?
You did subscribe?
Wait, we told them to subscribe already. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe. Check out Naya TV, Ellie TV, and Naya vs. Ellie and Naya and Ellie Toy Show. Bye, guys.